Hey everybody, welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. Well, I'm just working on the covers for the ways. I'm using the rubber material that Doug sent me. I appreciate that again, Doug. Thank you very much. And this is the one that goes on the front. So there's the hole down. I just laid out the holes, and I'm just using an import punch kit, and I'm just punching rubber holes. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's a nice hole in it. Knock out another one. So we are getting really close. Getting the Boyar Schultz wrapped up. My hand pump oiler came in, so we can get that on. I have to make a bracket because it won't mount like the original one will, but that's not a problem. So let me finish these up and get them mounted. So what do you think, guys? It's starting to look like a surface grinder, eh? Finally getting this Refurbish wrapped up. So as you can see, I got the weight covers on, front and back, and mag chuck is on, the chute is on, everything works good, so I am totally pleased. Gotta put a little oil on that knob there. Boyar oiler knockoff came in, so I got that mounted, and let me bring you guys over. So I'm getting ready to check it out. There's the port. Let me move this right there. I got to hook the two together with that flexible cable. So let's check this thing out, make sure she works first. Oh yeah, there she goes. Sweet, hope you can see that. So cool, we have a working oiling system. Awesome. So I'll get that connected, and I think, believe it or not, that is about it. I don't have a wheel balancer, so I can't balance this wheel. But I do have a diamond dresser, so I'll go ahead and dress the wheel, and we'll check the chuck out. Hopefully it is as flat can be, still on the painted surface. And after that, we'll put a chunk of test material up there, and we'll give this baby a trial run. So we're almost done. Well, just got the block wrapped up, as you saw from that previous clip, doing some fly cutting, and I need the block so I can make the diamond dresser. I picked up this diamond from Inco, believe it or not, about what, two and a half years ago, when Inco was still in business before they got absorbed by MSC. So this is let's see, 3/4 carat, and the body is 3/8 diameter. I figured, I mean, a diamond dresser, that's all it is this and a block, and there's no need to buy one when you can just make you a block, drill you a hole, and drill you a hole, and you're done, right? So the block is all finished up and square. Needs to be at a 15-degree angle. I looked that up, so I got my angle blocks out. Just going to take the angle blocks, put it in the vise, get me set up at the 15 degrees I need, and then to give the drill a fighting chance, I'm going to go ahead and run an end mill down just to give me a flat spot to start from, and then we'll drill a hole almost through the block. We'll drill it undersized, ream it for 375, so we'll have a nice fit for the body of the diamond, and then we'll go on the side here and we'll have to drill and tap a hole so that we can run a screw to hold it so it doesn't go anywhere. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just knocking it out. I'll show you periodically, but it's just basic machining stuff, but you know, it is a machining channel, so I'll show you guys a little bit of content, and once that is done, we can go dress that wheel and we can go make some sparks on the surface grinder. This is exciting, man. Can't wait. So I just ran the 3/8 end mill down. I got it flat. Center drill real quick. Alright, let me get the drill to be undersized 3/8. Let's put a hole in it. I'm going to go about 3/4 of an inch. Just set my quill. Slow her down a tad bit. And I dropped my brush. Hold on. Alright, we're about halfway there. Alright, let me check the depth. Hold on. Alright, that should be it. Let me get a reamer in here and we'll ream this hole. Trying to get the chips out. Pack down there in the bottom of that hole. Microphone popped off there. Alrighty, let's see how she fits. Alright. Muy bueno. Okay, let's get it out, flip it, and we'll drill and tap a hole to hold this thing snug. Well, there you go. It is done. So before I clean it up and use that tool black on it, I figured I'd show you. So I drew a line from that hole there to the edge, and then I ran an angle block and marked it at that diagonal so I knew the 15 degrees of the hole, so I could drill the hole right, because you can't just go in straight, right? Because the hole, you know, starts up here and then goes down that way. So hopefully you can see the line a little bit. It's not getting washed out. So I'm going to clean this up, and like I said, I'm going to put some tool black on it, and I'm going to let it sit overnight. It is like 7:30, so it's dinner time, and we'll get back on this tomorrow. We'll get the Boyar Schultz making sparks. Well, hey guys, today is the day. We are going to make some sparks. So everything is set up. I have not ground the chuck yet. I figured we'd just check it to see how the chuck is, and also kind of check the ways. We have a little bit of wear that comes into play on this side over here, so I figured I'd show you. We are down to the magnetic strip here, so if we're at 0, we're doing pretty good all the way to about right here, about where the hole is to turn the mag base on, and she starts to move and she rises up drastically there. Now I ran it without the toe clamps clamped, and I changed torque and all that, and that didn't affect it either. So I guess, you know, this side is a little high if we stay out of there. So I've got you know, basically a good 8 inches before that way wear comes into play, all in right in here. So we'll go ahead and get set up and make some sparks. It's gonna be noisy. Going handheld, but I just made the second pass off camera. Hopefully you guys can see the surface. Looks pretty good. Let me move the other mount, camera mount over there. Let me get it off the mag chuck. This is A2. Sorry for the shakiness here. Hold on, get the magnet off. There you go. Let me get it in the light. That one corner right there didn't clean up, but I just want to do a couple passes, show you guys. So not bad. I did it dry, no coolant, so pretty pleased with that. I guess I can go get a micrometer and we'll see how flat it did. Hang on. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Hold her and get a right reading. One inch and 1 thou. Alrighty. That's 1 inch and 1/10. Ouch, so we're way off. Hold on. It may be the bottom of this block. Let me check in a couple other spots. So that's a little bit better. So that's 1 inch 7/10. It may be the bottom of this block here that needs to be cleaned up. Yeah, there's a little booger there. So it's not grinding totally flat. We're a few tenths off, but I knew that because of the ways. So obviously, instead of doing it long ways, we can turn the block this way. So less error will be introduced from the ways. So hopefully that will give me a more tour surface from this side to this side. So anyways, that is exciting. We are done with the Boyar Schultz refurbish and restore. So I appreciate you guys watching. Sorry it ran a little bit long. It was about a 9-part series. You know, took this thing totally apart except for the motor and the spindle. You know, cleaned it out. It was filthy. We got like, what, 8 pounds of grinding dust and grit. Man, talk about neglect. We polished all the chrome, put a new oiler on it, got a new spur gear made, did a mediocre repair on the rack, unfortunately, but we have to live with it. Repaired the lead screw, repaired the lead screw nut, Had to rewire the back and get all that stuff cleaned up. So you know, hey, we did a lot, but hey, fun project. I'm glad it's done. We can check it off the list. So now we got another machine we can use in the shop. And with that, I want to say thanks to all my new subscribers. Appreciate you finding the channel. And thanks to all my old subscribers that are hanging in there. Leave comments, share, like, and all that good stuff. And we'll catch you on the next project. See you guys.